Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
I mean, there are very few of these Bibles in circulation. There were very few that were made. I think there were 30 copies that were made. One of them is at my old Oxford. I was at Oxford at the Bodleian Library, and we will be doing volume by volume. It will probably take us about a year.
And this will be first step.
It will be translated in which language?
Sanskrit.
From
English.
This will be first step. It will be translated in Sanskrit.
That way round, yes.
Ma'am, why you thought of doing it?
I am Catholic. I was baptised in Catholic, being going Portuguese descent, the Portuguese side of things. But my father and my mother always encouraged us to love our Indian roots. Now, there is no doubt that before I was Catholic, I was Hindu. And I have come to Goa on many occasions with my parents, my sisters, friends, etc. I've never stayed here long enough to learn Konkani fluently, because I then go back and then I don't keep it up. But I decided about 3 years ago, before COVID, that a good thing as a root of languages is Sanskrit. Because then I could use the Devanagari script to at least vaguely understand Hindi and some of the other roots, as well as Konkani was a Devanagari script language as well. So that was my interest in Sanskrit. It is also the root I understand of some of the Western languages like Latin. And I also believe that religions should be together in this terrible time of conflict. I think really being able to take the best of divinity, whether you're Christian, Hindu, Buddhist, whatever, but work together for a united purpose. And that's what Hema and I are doing as well.
It's time now for us to go to a new chapter of not only rising above pettiness of the religious parts, of the pettiness of it, and rising towards the godliness of it, the spirituality of it, and we are going to work towards, my Gurudev, His Holiness Sri Ravi Shankar, his dream is one world family, no borders, everybody is one. He says, rise above religion and go to spirituality. Look at Lord Jesus, he says. He is an epitome of love. And love is God, God is love. So things like that is what we are going to work on to make sure that humanity comes together.